All right, welcome back, admins, and congratulations on finishing your admin beginner trail. Now we are going to the admin intermediate trail. It's more fun than the beginner because you know more. Now, on this admin intermediate and onwards, so admin intermediate, admin advanced, then for those of you who wants to dip your feet in development, some coding, developer beginner, intermediate, and advanced, I would like to add consistency in our videos, in our trails. So let's choose a story for our example throughout our entire trails, a story that can scale up and more easy to understand, because on the trailhead here, Salesforce changes the story, right? When they're discussing about formula fields, they use some business story and then another business story, and different modules have different stories because the modules are authored or created by different people. Because Salesforce have many employees, 40,000 employees. So each staff who is in charge of a particular module are free to create their own story to explain things to the Trailblazer. So I want to create some story for our own, for our group here, the zone students. So, and stick with it. So it's going to be consistent. So when we go through each module all over the trails, it will have the same story and it's scalable, meaning it can scale up whatever we are discussing. So I've chosen an example of the Red Cross Swim Kids. So this is a Canadian Red Cross program all over Canada to teach kids how to swim. I think this is a good example because it's totally scalable and it's easy to understand. So everybody know what about swimming, right? Everybody has to learn how to swim. If you don't know how to swim yet, I encourage you to start learning because we don't want to drown and we have a lot of opportunity to have more fun with your friends. You can, swim around and just have fun with the water on a lake, on an ocean, anywhere. So what's the story behind this story? So Red Cross has a swimming program for kids, and anybody who has graduated from the program, like all the way to level 10 and become a lifeguard, they can also teach kids how to swim. So literally, an adult who has gone through the Swim Kids program and has been certified as an instructor, they can start teaching kids on how to swim. So the point is anybody can join and become an instructor, and there is so many things moving. That's the good thing that I want to tap into, because there are multiple teachers, literally thousands of teachers, right? Or instructors, swimming instructors. Because if I use the school example, there's maybe a handful of teachers and they're sticking on the same school most of the time, right? I don't want to use maybe a university, but this is more similar to a business story. So it's scalable. We can have thousands of swimming instructors, thousands of students, and there are parents of the students. There is booking. When do you want to book for the lesson, for the swimming lessons, right? They can change their mind, and then they can reschedule, and then the swimming instructor can see on their phone who are their students for the day, what are their names, and what level are they currently on the swimming program, and so on and so forth. And it's scalable because this is all throughout Canada. So the locations available are literally hundreds, if not thousands of locations. Swimming pools, public swimming pools across Canada. So it's totally scalable, and my own kids have gone through the Swimming Kids program, the Swim Kids program from Red Cross, and they've learned how to swim through this program. So I would love to adopt this story all throughout our trails. So with that, we can start building up our trailhead and using this story as the foundation, and we will scale up. We can use community later on, so parents can go in and book stuff, book lessons, cancel lessons, make payments, and so on and so forth. It's totally scalable. So this is a good example for you to have a grasp on and get a taste of all Salesforce has to offer by using this story as a foundation, because we don't want to keep switching stories or business models which can get you confused more, right? Oh, now we're selling cars, now we're a school, and then now we're selling houses, and now we're selling chocolate. So it's just, all over the place. We want to have some consistency, okay? So that's the base story of what we are going to do from this point onwards. So let's stick with this. This is going to be fun, and let's go back to our trail. So I'm going to close our Red Cross. So we are all on the same page. We are going to the Red Cross Swim Kids program and build on that. All right. So all of our discussions throughout this module and other trails will be based on that story, on that example. All right. So with that, I want you and me to create a new Trailhead Playground. So don't use your admin beginner one. Okay, I'll show you on how to create a Trailhead Playground. So click on your icon here, your photo, and hands-on orgs. This is how you can actually rename and connect to an org that you already have, like your developer org. But let's create a new one. How can you create a new one? So if I go back here on the trail and click on this first module, first trail, and go to the challenge here. Here, if you click here, you can simply create a Trailhead Playground. All right. So click there. So I'm going to click another one and create another one so you can see what's going on. So it says it's going to take a few minutes. So you have to wait a few minutes. But when you're done, when the trailhead is created, if you go to your hands-on org, I'm going to do it on my next tab. You will see this. It's still creating, right? So I'm going to use this for my maybe admin advanced trail. So I'm going to rename this second one. I'm going to rename this admin intermediate and save. And this is a default one that we are going to work on. And I'm going to change this to my admin beginner trail, which we have used already. So I'm not going to delete it. I'm just going to leave it there. And while this is creating, we can go ahead and launch my admin intermediate trail. So I'm going to launch this, but this video is getting longer. How long did I talk about the story there? I can't see it yet. So this is done. I'm going to name this admin advanced. This is for our next trail when we have finished the intermediate one. Okay, so I'm going to save this and let's cut on here, and I'll see you on the next video.